Alright guys, so welcome to in my kitchen, and this is a simple recipe of sweet and sour chicken, Jamaican style. So first you're gonna cut up your chicken and wash them with vinegar and little lemon juice. You can use one of each, doesn't matter, but you're gonna cut it up in small sizes. And this is just the pre-steps. Alright guys, so these are the stuff that you need. You need your seasoning. This is onion, carrot, garlic, pepper, scallion, thyme, tomato, and sweet pepper. You also need your chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic, cayenne, paprika, salt, basil, oregano. This is egg powder, and this is what I use to get the coloring because I don't have any coloring, so I'm just gonna use egg powder, which you can use it anyway. Pineapple juice, this is about a cup. Sugar, tomato ketchup, and this sweet and sour sauce is already done. What I could have done is to just throw it on the chicken, but I decided to make my own sauce, but I'm just going to use a little bit just for flavoring. Pineapple chunks. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a paste right now. I'm going to make a paste for the chicken. This is to get it fried crispy. So I'm going to use some water and pour it in, and I added spices in it, and I also put egg powder to give it that yellowy look. Now that the paste is done, I'm going to take some of the paste, and this is actually to get the gravy thick after, so I'm going to save some for later just in case we need it to get the gravy thick. So let's go for a chicken and get frying. So first I'm going to season out the meat, and I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add the chicken seasoning. I'm going to add some salt. The oregano. Basil, and guys, these are also optional. I like spice, so I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika in it, and this will also give it a little coloring also. You don't need to use a lot. I'm gonna put cayenne pepper because I like spice. It's gonna be like a spicy sweet and sour sauce. Spicy sweet and sour chicken. And you're also gonna add a little egg powder, and this gives you the reddish oranges color. And you're going to stir it. Then I'm going to leave it to marinate. Alright, so now that the pot is on the fire and the chicken is already marinated and the paste is already done, I'm going to pour this inside. Then I'm going to stir it. Now this batter will give it a very crispy texture, and that will be good for the sweet and sour chicken. I'm going to use this because this is much easier to lift it and take off the excess batter, and then I'm going to dip it into my already heated frying pan, and I'm going to get them crispy golden brown, or orange should I say. Alright guys, so now that the chicken is well fried and everything is ready, I'm gonna get some vegetable oil, coconut oil. I like to use coconut oil because it gives it a nice flavor and it's better. And after that is preheated, I'm gonna add all my vegetables. I'm gonna add the garlic and pepper first. It doesn't really matter what order you put it in, but I'm just gonna make these soak for a while so I can get the flavor out. Gonna add the sugar. I don't really like sweet stuff, so I don't want to use a lot of sugar, and I use like 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna add a dash of egg powder, which give it that orange look that you're looking, and this is about half of a teaspoon in the mixture. I'm gonna add my tomato ketchup. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. don't mind me shaking. This is actually 2 tablespoons because I know the measurement and all that, so I don't have to measure it. But that's 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Look at that. So I add some water to the ketchup bottle and rinse it out, and I'm going to pour it in the mixture. And guys, remember that paste that I told you to put down for later? I'm just going to add just a tablespoon, and this is going to help the sauce to get very thick and nice for the chicken. And you can use cornstarch, but I decided to use a little bit of flour, and I'm gonna let that simmer for a while and come to a while. Okay, so now that it has come to a boiling point, remember I told you don't want to have the vegetable overcooked, so now is the perfect time to put your chicken in. I'm going to add a little tips of water. And I'm going to leave it for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm now going to add the sweet and sour sauce. I don't need to add a lot. As you can see, the sauce is already there in the pot. But this is just to give it that, original taste. So I'm just going to add a little bit, and that's it. Okay. Ooh. And now I think we are ready. Oh la la. Yes, and let's turn that off. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get plating. And ooh, look at this juice cream. So like, share, subscribe. If you have not yet, subscribe and hit the notification button so you can know when I release a new video. And I will also do a lot of different videos because, as you know, this is Nessa's world, and anything that happened in my world I would like you to know. So come on board and like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.